Hello friends, welcome to Talk to Excel. And today we are covering the series of four videos, starting with the basics of Excel, VB macros. And I know the people, most of people associate with the codes and computer programming with more complex things and sophisticated than Excel. But if we learn some of code of the VBA macro, it can allow us to do so much more and the basics which we can use fairly to get the things automated. So as I told, we have created a series of four videos which are going to allow you to get to understand the basics. We are going to talk about adding the buttons to a spreadsheet and attaching macros to them, and we are going to talk about changing cell values and using offsets to control positioning, and also we are about to create basic loops in these four basic videos of the Visual Basic. So let's get straight into the point and okay. Mm, so uh, 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 so so you can you need to have the developer tab visible here as you see here. Uh, um, you need to have the developer tab visible. You can see up here. The developer tab is visible. However, it's not usually visible in Excel. So might you go back into the file and into the options and go to the customize ribbon and then go on the right. Then on the right you can see all the things here, and you can see all the things that appear in the ribbon at the top of the Excel. So if the developer box is unticked, if this is unticked, you can tick here and then exit option. Okay, so you will able to see the developer tab at the top of the Excel. And I'm using the Excel 2019, and if you are using the earlier version of 2010 or 2007, just Google Excel, developer tab, how you will able and then you will able to understand how to get it to display. So that's the first thing. Make sure you can see the developer tab. Uh, what we are going to do in this video is to create a button and attach a macro to the button to do something. So now we have all seen the fancy, advanced, sophisticated spreadsheet around us, and I have created a few things for for the organizations, for the different people, and some of for myself. So so first thing, we need to open the Visual Basic editor, and this is what it looks like. There's not a lot of there at the moment. Over here on the left, there a tool for structuring, right? Your code, your structure code using these things called modules. So the first thing we are going to do is to uh, insert at the top and put a module, insert in the top and put a module in the class module. So we can see the module we have inserted, and the Excel has taken the module. Okay, so we are going to create our first code. Now exciting. Yeah. So we are going to type in sub, and we say hello, and yeah. So then we are going to call this routine say hello. So sub say hello, and then just hit the enter. We have just hit the enter, so you can see it ended with the sub. So these are the routines. Visual Basic refers to them as subs, and we can see Excel has started the sub and ended with the sub. So there everything we need to do. There is all we can do. Within these two start point of the sub and end point of the sub. So now what we are going to type in it, it's the message box, and which is in Visual Basic language, it's representing the message box, and then space, and then is I'll make start with the double quotes, and just I am going to type mm, hello friends, welcome to my channel talk to Excel. Yeah, and then I will close the message box. So this is our first code ready, and uh, if we want to test here, we can run with using the F5 button, or we can click on run. So we can run here. You can see, yes. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Talk to Excel. Now, uh, we can save our file with, so how we can save it? I have already saved my file, but whenever you have to save, you have to save your file with the macro enabled worksheet as a macro enabled worksheet, and the extension of the macro enabled worksheet would be the .xlsm. Okay, so this module is ready, and just I'm saving it, and I'm just closing this module. Now it's the blank spreadsheet is here. Now, what we do, just we have to add the button. So how we add to button? Just this is blank sheets. So we go to the developer tab again, and we click here the insert button, and we click on the uh, button. So just we click in the button. We are designing the button here. So if we click a button, it's asked to assign a macro. So this is the button we have created, and it's these are the list. These are the space where the all list of macro will visible. Whatever the modules we have created. So we have created the module hello. So it's representing here, and so we click here, and we can assign. But I will show you the another method to assign it. So I just click on cancel, and you can see the button is here. Yeah. Now I want to change the name of my button. So how I will do? Okay, I will right click and edit the text, and I just print say hello. Uh, okay. Or I can say anything. I can say submit or enter. Click enter or click. I just writing the click here. Okay. So I just click outside, and the name is it's renamed. My button has renamed. Yeah. Now, uh, so it's not saying now that I will assign the trigger. So now it's asking to add a macro to assign a macro to this button. So I hope you remember, the first thing. So I click on right, and it's saying the assign macro. Okay, right click and we assign macro. So see, when we have inserted a button, you have seen this in the dialog box. Now again, if you right click and click on assign macro, it will again ask to assign a macro to this button, and this is the button name. So if I click here, what action of module it will take? So I have just selected hello and click on OK. Now my button module is ready. So let's click on button, and let's see what happens. Okay, excellent. So we have clicked the button, and Excel has got into the Visual Basic, and it found the routine module, and that's the assigned to the button has gone through the routine, and we just had the one line code and the message, so the message with the word hello friends, welcome to my channel, talk to Excel. So exactly what is it's done. So let's try that one more time. There we go. Feel to do practice at your home and on your system, and many time as you like. It's always a sense of achievement, and when you get a macro to work well, so definitely have a play with it. So great. So you have now created a button, and you put it in a spreadsheet, and you have created your first macro Visual Basic, and you have got uh, uh, the macro to work by clicking on the button. So that's the great start with the Talk to Excel, my channel. And this is the first of 4 videos of the basic of Basics and in Excel. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you, my friend. Please do like and subscribe my channel to get the updates and next updates for the my series of the videos.